How to unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 2700 and DeskJet Plus 4100 printer series. Open the box and remove the documents. Remove the printer power cord and USB cable, if one was provided with your printer. Remove the black and tricolor setup ink cartridges. These cartridges are designed to initialize the printer and must be used during the hardware setup. Set the box on its side and remove the printer from the box. Remove the plastic from around the printer. Remove the blue tape from the back and bottom of the printer. If present, remove the long piece of tape securing the output tray and then open the tray. Pull the right piece of tape on the front of the printer to open the cartridge access door. Pull the left piece of tape to remove the cardboard restraint in the printer. Plug in the printer using the supplied power cord. Press the power button to turn on the printer. The carriage moves to the center of the printer.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts.
Remove the black cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge by its sides and pull the tab to remove the plastic tape without touching the contacts or ink nozzles. Push the cartridge into the right slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to install the tricolor setup cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. Lift the input tray to raise it to its locked position. Slide the paper width guide to its outermost position. Load a stack of plain white paper into the input tray. Slide in the paper width guide until it rests on the edge of the paper. After you install the printer on your computer or mobile device and print 3 print jobs, an alignment page prints. For best print quality, it is recommended that you complete the alignment process. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the alignment page from the output tray and place it print side down on the scanner glass where indicated. Lower the scanner lid and then press the Start Copy Color button to scan the alignment page. When the printer is idle and silent and the ready light is lit, the alignment process is complete. With the hardware setup complete, it's time to install the software. On your computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com to install HP Smart and then add your printer in the app. Once added, you can start printing and scanning on your HP DeskJet 2700 or DeskJet Plus 4100 series printer.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.